honestly didn't expect that the concert opening would be that overwhelming. From the moment the concert started, grabe talaga ang impact. The fireworks, the visuals, tapos biglang big reveal yung sakay agad sila ng creative track. Literal goosebumps. It was such a powerful, well-thought opening na parang sinabi nilang, "Welcome to our world." One thing I never get over with is their live vocals. Ang galing, consistently great from start to finish. Kahit na alam mo na pagod na sila, they still give it all. Walang tinipid. They keep going, they keep delivering. Solid talaga ang passion at professionalism nila sa stage. Every single live performance of this concert is way above my expectation. Mapa-dance performance na sobrang intense o mellow song na sobrang na kumakapit sa puso. You can feel the emotion, the realness, and the authenticity. Hindi na siya isang performance, isa pang kwento na parang personal. Isa pa sa pinaka-special sa concert na ito ng SB19 grabe yung suporta, yung energy ng buong audience. Ang lahat, ang lakas, ang init, buong buo. Ramdam mo kung gaano kamahal ng fans ang SB19 at kung gaano rin ka-connected ang grupo sa kanila. It wasn't just a concert. It feels like a shared moment between the artist and the fans. And what makes this concert special for me? Lahat totoo. Walang pilit. Ramdam mo sila bilang artist at bilang tao. The concert ended the same way it started. With fireworks, ang ganda, ang lakas ng dating, isang perfect full circle moment. I woke up the concert feeling inspired and honestly proud to witness something so real. This was my first SB19 concert and definitely not the last.